afternoon, doctors. I'm Emily Ligato from Veredis Pharmaceutical. Responsible in the areas of Lucena, San Pablo, Quezon Province. Here with me is Mr. Ryan Sierra from Batangas area, and Miss Len from Taytay, and Miss Cheche from Alabang, Musinuba. I would like, first and foremost, we would like to thank you for giving us this opportunity to introduce our new company, Veredis. Veredis is a Latin word. It's a two-Latin word. It stands for Vera. It stands for true. This stands for wealth. Health is wealth. Veredis was officially registered last September 14, 2007, and BPAD October 8, 2007. Our corporate office is in Pasig City. Veredis will go beyond what is already known. We will know doctors that there's provisions are not created by asking what's feasible but pursuing paths beyond existing limits. Missions. We strongly believe that through your support in e-commerce technology, Veredis will be able to provide financial freedom to our client. And the number one client is you, doctor. Not only we dedicate ourselves to providing quality medicines, but to further enhance the lives of people and improve the way they live every day. This will explain my request for high-quality pharmaceutical products and provide innovative opportunities through the business. Who we are, through your unselfish support, we will be the first pharmaceutical company to practice electronic promotion and electronic DTC. The first pharmaceutical company to provide you latest medical information, especially tailored to your specialization or fees. Is it exciting, doctors?
Yes.
Yes.
It's exciting.
Nasa boses mo yung excitement talaga, no?
Is someone who has created a reputable name in combating tuberculosis, bacterial infections, cardiovascular diseases, and many more. Broken research does not only limit and most commonly used medicines like anti-TB, antibiotics, and cardiopathics, but has dedicated to research and developing new chemicals entities. With 20,000 acre research and development center including 180 scientists and with 130 patients today, we can expect undying research and development for better medicines. Furthermore, Lupin is will back up by successful US FDA certification for 11 manufacturing facilities, Asia's only US FDA approved fermentation plant for rifampicin, WHO certified finished products manufacturing facility for tuberculosis products. Because of Lupin's strong commitment and contribution towards excellence as generic drug supplier in the US, Lupin received the award of Best Manufacturer of the Year. The other partner which we consider equally important is you, doctor. Our initial products, as mentioned earlier, are not new in the market. We have proven their efficacy for a long period of time, and still continuously delivering the results we desire. Doctors, allow me to present to you the first our two initial products. Separate.